Greetings, I'm Helma Bloomberg, and welcome to your Solvang, California real estate market update as of April 19, 2025. This week, the median list price for single-family homes in Solvang is $2,390,000. The median price of new listings is $2,845,000, while the price per square foot is $785. Let's look at market activity. Homes are spending an average of 117 days on the market, with the median days on market at 67 days. 46% of listings have experienced a price decrease, while 0% have seen a price increase. 8% of homes have been relisted. Inventory has slightly decreased to 26 active listings. Now, turning to the Market Action Index, which compares the rate of sales versus inventory, this week's index is at 31. This indicates a slight seller's advantage and is a slight dip from last month's Market Action Index of 32. The market has been cooling over time and prices have plateaued for a while. Despite the consistent decrease in the Market Action Index, we remain in the seller's zone. Watch for changes in the MAI. If the MAI resumes its climb, prices will likely follow suit. If the MAI drops consistently or falls into the buyer's zone, watch for downward pressure on prices. Now, if you're buying or selling, here's what you need to know. For buyers, finding the right home is about more than just square footage. It's about lifestyle, location, and long-term goals. I offer exclusive access to off-market properties and leverage eXp Realty's global network of over 90,000 agents. As part of eXp's luxury division, I use cutting-edge tools to find opportunities you won't find anywhere else. My goal is to help you secure the perfect home with confidence and ease. For sellers, your home deserves maximum exposure. Our luxury marketing includes placement on 80 international real estate websites, luxury placements in the Wall Street Journal, Mansion Global, Robb Report, Unique Homes, DuPont Registry, and Forbes Global Properties. And we feature your property with professional twilight and drone photography, plus a dedicated property website. Targeted advertising ensures your listing reaches the right buyers, locally and globally, attracting serious interest and top-dollar offers. Whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, I offer expert negotiation, seamless transactions, and personalized service to make your transition effortless. That's your Solvang, California real estate market update. If you're thinking about buying or selling, this is the time to stay informed and strategize. Contact me at Helma at helmabloomberg.com or call me at 760-636-3105 for the California Desert or 805-450-6006 for Santa Barbara and its surrounding horse and wine country. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on social media for more insights, tips, and updates on the luxury real estate market. Thank you for watching.